Hey everyone, it's Matt with another methodology video. So we're going to look at another resource from Workwrite Book 4, um, Workplace Communications. I chose this one because it has a bit more than just reading. It also has document use and numeracy as well. So this is a notice it's at the Hardware Plus company. And this notice is about coffee room supplies. So I'm just going to read it real quick to contextualize. It has come to our attention that coffee room supplies are being used at a greater than average rate. Effective November 1st, we will be charging a nominal fee for coffee, tea, and light snacks. The following prices will apply. Coffee, tea, 25 cents, etc. from management. Okay, so why is Hardware Plus going to charge for coffee room snacks? So it basically, that's kind of a match answer. It basically says in the first paragraph, it has come to our attention that coffee room supplies are being used at a greater than average rate. In other words, they're going too fast. So you can paraphrase it that way if you'd like. So fast or being used at a greater than average rate. How much did Hardware Plus charge before this notice? So that one needs some inference. It's a low-level inference. The answer is relatively obvious, but it's not on the sheet. We basically have to infer from the implications that they used to be free. Because effective November 1st, we will be charging a nominal fee. In other words, it's the first time they're going to be charging a fee. So that means they were free. Or you can put 0 or nothing. Next, number 3, on what date will Hardware Plus begin to charge for coffee room snacks? And that one is written right out for us. November 1st right here. Now, number 4 is a little bit of numeracy. Calculate the total cost of the following beverage and snacks for the employees listed below. So now the prices are written in cents instead of dollars. So when I'm usually dealing with money math with learners, I'm dealing with them in written as dollars. So 25 cents would be written like this, or this, but it's better with a 0. So I would, when I'm doing those, I would change them all to the dollar amount, but you don't have to. You can do it either way. So Timothy for coffee and cookies. Let's do 0.25 for coffee plus his cookies as another 0.25 equals 50 cents. And I try to get learners to remember to always put the dollar sign when we're dealing with money. Radka had a tea and apples. So a tea is 25 cents again, plus her apple. Now that's a low-level inference. Apple's not listed there, but it is. We infer that it is a fruit. So 30 cents equals our 5. And another strategy would be to actually count out the fake or real money if you have it. If learners are struggling to do it this way, get them to count out 25 cents and then 30 cents and add it together if that would help. Samantha had pop, juice, and cookies. So the pop, 50 cents, plus her juice, 60 cents, plus the cookies, 25 cents, sorry. And then we add that together. I think that's $1.35. Then Isaac had 2 packages of cookies and a banana. So 2 packages of cookies, we're going to do it one at a time. So 0.25 plus 0.25. And a banana is, of course, not listed there. It's under fruit. So I think this is 80 cents. Now, my favorite part, the vocabulary, and just like in the last video, I told you when we're doing the vocabulary in a Workwrite activity, you want vocabulary in context. So no dictionary definition. Best strategy is to just find another way to say the word, like a synonym instead of a definition. So first we have to find them all. So average. So in this document, it says being used at a greater than average rate. So another way to say that would be more than usual or more than normal. So we can put the word normal. Average is normal or usual. Rate, okay, greater than average rate. That one's a little more difficult to find a synonym for. Rate could be amount. It's not the true definition, but it's close enough. Okay. Our next one is nominal. So nominal, it says we will be charging a nominal fee. And the word nominal in this context means really small or less than true cost. So they're not trying to make money off these snack prices. They just don't want it to be so much of a cost to the lunchroom, because Hardware Plus is paying for these. So they want to continue, they don't want to make money off it, but they want people to be maybe a little bit more respectful with how much they take, because it looks like it's not a canteen. It looks like you just leave the money there. It doesn't mention a canteen or anything like that. It just says coffee room supplies. And then the last one is the word apply. The following prices will apply. So it's not apply like apply for a job. It's apply as in come into effect or maybe be charged. The prices will be charged. Okay, so that's it for this exercise. In the next video, we're going to take a look at a different part of Workwrite Book 4. We're going to look at memoranda. This is from the notice section. So memoranda are like notices, but a little more formal and some other differences. All right, see you next time. Thanks.